What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we got an unboxing, a very unusual boxing, but those of you older or younger consumers of the actual Zen product, you can too get this as well. So this should be, there it is. It's the can. What's the can? Well, if you consume these products, you can put these little codes in the back, and I'll show you this code. You got to sign up for their rewards program, and they had a sale this past week for for some reason, like every March they have some kind of special. And anyways, so instead of you can use your points for gift cards and stuff or order other items, but I like the merch. Now, I'm not going to use this, but I basically got this to resell. So I wanted to show you guys this. So if you're at a garage sale or an estate sale, most likely a garage sale. I don't think estate sales are going to have it because those are usually like older folks. But this is the official metal can. Ooh, it's very cold because it's cold here. So this is metal. Put that by the mic. Little ping test. But it's a very cool product, and you're thinking like, dude, why would you use your points to get this? Well, I'm not going to be using this. I could care less. I'm cool with the plastic ones that come with the actual item, but it's kind of neat. It looks like an ashtray. I guess you could use it for an ashtray, but it's really to store the little pouches. There's a little seal here, and these sell all day, every day on eBay for 75 bucks with free shipping. So I will be listing this product. It is brand new. And it's very, very, very well made. So if you see these lying at a garage sale and they want, let's say they want $1 for it, you can turn that dollar, or even if they want $5 for it, you can turn that $5 into $70 all day long. So these are very popular. You can only get this from their rewards program. So it's kind of like your tobacco like product, although there's zero tobacco in this. So but it's kind of like if you got like Marble Man or Camel, like that kind of stuff for you older guys that might collect those things, you know, like lighters or clothing with Marble or Camel or whatever, Newport, whatever. But this is real stuff. This is hip. This is what the younger generation uses. And these are definitely collectible. And I think the gold ones, which they had released last year, and those go for like 150, 200 bucks. So yeah, these little metal tin things, I know it doesn't look like much, but I'll be selling that on eBay all day long. And if you don't believe me, let's go to my computer screen and I'll show you. All right, so here we're at my eBay thing here. So you just type in Zen metal can, and this one's on bid. That's what the green one's asking, the blue one. I got the silver one. See, there's that gold one. 150. It's crazy, right? You wouldn't think a little metal can be worth that much, but they are. Look, this dude's got all 4 of them, selling for 400 bucks. That's kind of cool. I didn't get the blue one because the blue one, there's kind of like 2 blue ones. There's like a dark blue and like a lighter blue. But the gray one is where it's at. So I believe if I list this for 75, I'll sell it right away. I don't know what this guy's smoking, 5,000. Okay. But the sell-through rate is excellent. So we got 51 listed. Let's see how many have sold. So we go down here to sold. Excellent sell-through rate, 300%. Look, 133 have actually sold. And there you go. This just sold today. Today is March 7th. Someone just picked this up for $77.99 with free shipping. And that's what I'm going to list. But I chose the grayish silver one because I think that one sells for a little bit more. This one was on bid. So if I list this today for $78 with free shipping, the shipping's not free. It's going to cost me, you know, $4 or $5. But let's just see if anyone would be cheaper than me if I list that today. These don't count. That doesn't count because that's a thing. That's an auction. That's an auction. There we go. The cheapest bike now, and that's a pre-owned. And then brand new, someone's asking 81. So if I list mine for 78 with free shipping, I will get a buyer today. So just want to share that with you guys. Let's go back to the photo booth. So if you do order this product, for those of you that have gotten enough points, and instead of throwing your product away before you do that and throw it in the recycling bin, definitely use the codes. You can get this for free. But for most people, they're too lazy to do that because it is a lot of work, and those codes on the back are not the easiest to type in. So it's kind of like a habit. But this is how it comes. So it comes in this little package. And what I think is really cool is that I got this within 2 days. So appreciate you guys watching. And then, for my next video, dude, I got so much of this stuff. It has nothing to do with Zen, but let me show you. So this, I've kind of sorted through this, but this will be on my next video. I'm probably gonna do that this weekend. But for you ladies, ladies that are under 30 years old, Bratz dolls. Yep, these are all my daughter's Bratz dolls from prior thing. And we got Moxie teens, we've got Bratz babies. This is huge. I got 2 full bins, all the clothes and stuff. I put it all together. And I just listed this dude. This dude, his name's Gavin. He's a Moxie teen. He's super rare, and he's going to sell for $50. So, like I said, a lot of you resellers that watch my channel, dude, don't sleep on the Bratz dolls. They're basically the G.I. Joe of ladies right now. I know G.I. Joes and Transformers from the 80s are popular for, older guys, and then they're even like buying like the new modern stuff, but the Bratz dolls, don't sleep on those. So if you see these at garage sales and they want like $1 a piece, each Bratz doll with fully clothed and their shoes and everything, they sell for around $20. And I've got, I think, well over 50. So it's gonna be insane organizing this. But even the clothes, like some of the clothes, like why actually sell real clothes? You could sell, actual doll clothes. Here, I'll show you this other bin. So we got Barbies in here. We got all kinds of stuff. But yeah, here's their boots. It's kind of gross, like their feet come off. And then I put all their dresses, and like this little plastic purse, like that's a $5 bill. So don't just let this stuff go for cheap. If you have a garage sale, if you got the time, list it. Look at, dude, all these purses. Like some of these purses are worth like $10 because they came with rare figures. And this is a mix of Moxie Teen and Bratz. Here's more Barbie clothes. Like some of these jackets are made with like real jean material. So these jackets for some of these dolls can sell for a lot. And then like this like basic looking guitar that came with one of the Bratz dolls, that's pretty rare. Whoops. And that guitar alone's worth like $15. This sporty Bratz doll trophy is worth like $10. So if you are at a garage sale or estate sale and you see someone, even if you're a dude, because I'm a dude, 48-year-old dude, father of 3 daughters, they're all adults now, but don't just put this stuff out at I put it this way: if you're out there at a garage sale and you see, Barbies or whatever, right? Unless they're rare. Like we got a Dr. Barbie in here. She's probably worth like $20, and then there's like Disney type ones. But if you see a large lot of these looking things with these big old lips, dude, that is really popular right now. Like, and that's the Y2K generation. So there's a lot of people that collect Y2K. Totally into that. And then these are the Moxie teens. Look at that. I know she's got a bald head, but this one's got all her clothes. These brand new sell for like $150 in the box still. So if, like I said, if you guys are at garage sales, even if you're a dude, Bratz dolls are where it's at. And then for the guys out there, anything Zen related merchandise is worth a lot because you can't just go and buy that. The only way to buy it is off of eBay. So appreciate you guys watching. Always here to educate you guys, help you guys out when you're out there It's March 7th today, so weather, I mean, it's snowing like crazy out here in Elk Grove Village, Illinois, but those of you that live in warmer climates, if you're out there and you see a big old pile of Bratz dolls and you're just there to buy video games or silver or gold or tools, dude, don't sleep on it. Like, pick up the Bratz dolls. Even if you're super lazy, like if I was super lazy, I could just say, here's a ginormous lot of Bratz dolls and just sell it, for the highest bidder. Someone just recently sold 20 Bratz dolls fully clothed with their accessories, 20 of them, for over $500 on eBay. That's like $26 per doll. So if you can pick up dolls for like $1 a piece or clothes or whatever, the entire lot, don't sleep on it. And obviously if you run into Zen merchandise, especially these metal cans, those are $75 bills all day long. So appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully this helps you out. I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.